I don't know why whenever I tell you to do something, you don't do it. I'm talking to you, you're staring at me, ba. Look at me when I'm talking to you. I gave you simple instruction. Wash all the dishes. Why am I coming back to see plate in the zinc? Answer me.
No, it's actually...
I'm talking, you're talking, Abi. I am talking, so we have become mates, Abi. You should get out of my sight. Oh, so now you're walking out on me. That is what we have become now. We are mates, ba. As you're standing there, just kneel down. Just kneel down. Raise up your hands and close your eyes. Junior, bring me my belt.
Okay, man.